Understanding quadrilaterals. How many angles are there in a triangle? 3. Do you know the sum of interior angles of a triangle? 180 degrees. How? Let me explain through an activity. Cut the 3 angles of the triangle and join all the angles one by one as shown in the display. How are the 3 angles formed? They are formed in a straight line. What is the angle measure of a straight line? 180 degrees. We can conclude that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. How many sides are there in a quadrilateral? 4. How many triangles can be formed in a quadrilateral? 2. What is the name of this polygon? Pentagon. How many sides are there in a polygon? 5. How many triangles can be formed in a pentagon? 1, 2, 3. 3. What type of polygon is it? Hexagon. The number of sides of a hexagon is equal to 6. The number of triangles formed in a hexagon is equal to 4. In all these cases, there is a common relation between the number of sides and the number of triangles in a polygon. Let us observe the relation between them. If number of sides of a polygon is 4, then number of triangles is 2, which is 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Number of sides minus 2. If the number of sides is 5, then the number of triangle is 3, which is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Number of sides minus 2 is equal to the number of triangles. Similarly, if the number of sides is 6, then the number of triangles is 4, which is equal to 6 minus 2. So the number of sides minus 2. The common relation is the number of triangles is equal to the number of sides minus 2. Sum of interior angles of a polygon. What is the angle sum property of triangle? The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. What is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? To find this, we need to know how many triangles are formed in a quadrilateral. 2. What would be the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? 2 times the sum of interior angles of a triangle. So 2 times 180 degrees. That is equal to 360 degrees. What is the sum of interior angles of a pentagon? We need to know how many triangles are formed in a pentagon. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 3 times the sum of interior angles of a triangle, which is equal to 3 times 180 degrees. that is equal to 540 degrees. What is the sum of interior angles of a hexagon? We need to know how many triangles are formed in a hexagon. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So, the sum of interior angles of a hexagon is equal to 4 times the sum of interior angles of a triangle, which is equal to 4 times 180 degrees, that is 720 degrees. What is the common formula who have observed the sum of interior angles of polygons? Sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to number of triangles into 180 degrees. What is the formula of number of triangles for n-sided polygon? n minus 2. So, sum of interior angles of n-sided polygons is equal to number of triangles into 180 degrees, which is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Let us summarize what we have learned. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Number of triangles in n-sided polygon is n minus 2. Number of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a hexagon is 720 degrees. Sum of interior angles of n-sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degrees.